Grizzly G0854 offers streamlined, compact, and economical edge banding to small and medium-sized shops. Built with a small footprint, this automatic edge bander delivers huge results. It easily handles panels from 1/2 inch to 1 3/4 inch thick, using tape from 0.5 millimeters to 2 millimeters thick. Additional features include a 10.5 inch wide by 69 3/4 inch long table, automatic belt feed with adjustable rollers, and has a feed speed rate of 16 feet per minute. An adjustable in-feed fence for different edge banding thicknesses, and a Teflon coated glue pot. With a pedestal mounted control panel with a Photec temperature controller, this machine offers the operator control over basic functions and automatically handles the rest, giving you consistent results. Mounted on the optional bear crawl system, the edge bander gives you portability and ultimate flexibility in your production line. The G0854 comes with a 1-year warranty which covers parts and assures the unit is free from factory defects. The manual was written by our US-based technical documentation department and makes it easy to assemble and maintain your edge bander. Grizzly's customer service, technical support teams, and parts warehouse are also US-based. For details, specifications, pricing, and availability, visit grizzly.com. Take your shop's capabilities to the next level with the Grizzly G0854 Compact Automatic Edge Bander.